Hello everyone. In the previous video, we learned sentence and parts of a sentence. In this video, we will learn classification of sentences and kinds or types of sentences. This is grammar lesson 2. Sentences can be classified in different ways. First classification is based on the sense and purpose. What sense does the sentence make, or what is the purpose of the sentence? Whether it is just a declaration, or it is giving order or command, it is asking question, it is expressing certain emotion, it is wish or curse. There are 5 kinds of sentences in this kind of classification. They are declarative sentences, imperative sentences, interrogative sentences, exclamatory sentences, and optative sentences. Classification 2 is based on whether the sentence is negative or not. Based on that, we have affirmative sentences, negative sentences, interrogative sentences, and negative interrogative sentences. Classification 3 is based on structure of a sentence, whether it's a simple sentence, compound sentence, complex sentence, or compound complex sentence. In this video, we will learn about classification 1 and classification 2. Classification 3 we will do in our later videos. So in first kind of classification, we have first declarative or assertive sentence. A declarative sentence is the most basic type of sentence, and as the name suggests, a declarative sentence simply declares a statement or expresses an opinion. In other words, declarative sentence declare, state, assert, or claim something. They are just simple sentences, very usual sentences. And a declarative sentence ends with a period. That means a full stop. Examples of declarative sentences are: the boy walked the dog, I like pizza, he wants to learn music. So as you can see, these are simple declaration. Honesty is the best policy, time is money. Such kind of statements are also declarative sentences. Other kind of sentence in this classification are imperative sentences. Imperative sentences are used to give command or advice, request, suggestions, instructions, etc. Depending upon the mood. The sentence can end in exclamation or a full stop or period. So these kind of sentences generally express the mood of a person, whether he's angry or happy, he's giving a command, advice, he's requesting, he's giving suggestion or instruction. Example of these kind of sentences are: come in, which is a command. You should visit a doctor. This is an advice. Please bring me a glass of water. This is a request. All the students should stand in a queue. This is instruction. Next is interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences ask question. We ask questions through these kind of sentences, and these sentences end with question mark. So these sentences can have yes or no as an answer. Like they can start with is, am, are, was, were, have, has, did, etc. Or they can also start with WH questions like which, when, where, how, what. For example, is he ill? Are we going? Who came in the morning? Where is Sam? So all these sentences are question and they are ending with question mark. Next is exclamatory sentences. Exclamatory sentences express sudden emotions of joy, sorrow, pain, fear, shock, etc. So they are expressing sudden emotion of a person. All of a sudden, if we hear something, sudden kind of emotions come out of our mouth, isn't it? So that is exclamatory sentences. And exclamatory sentences end with marks of exclamation. This is the mark of exclamation. So here are example of exclamatory sentences. What a tragedy. We won. Oh my God. So these are certain emotions. We have another kind of sentences called optative sentences. Optative sentences are those sentences that express a wish, prayer, or curse. Optative sentences end with mark of exclamation. Example of optative sentences are: may God bless you, long live the king, may you rot in hell. First is wish, second is prayer, and third is curse. Sometimes optative sentences are also merged with declarative sentences or exclamatory sentences, but we can also separate them as optative sentences. Now we have another kind of classification, which is classification based on whether the sentence is negative or not. So in this classification, we have first affirmative or positive sentences. These sentences validate an opinion, idea or fact. They confirm an opinion, idea or fact. For example, I met Kevin yesterday. Sudha learns music. Adil is a good boy. Opposite to affirmative or positive sentences are negative sentences. And these sentences negate or deny an opinion, idea or fact. For example, if we have to convert these positive sentences into negative, we can use not. I met Kelvin yesterday becomes I did not meet Calvin yesterday. Sudha learns music becomes Sudha does not learn music. Adil is a good boy becomes Adil is not a good boy. In this classification, we have interrogative sentences. These sentences, as we have seen previously, ask questions. For example, did you meet Kelvin yesterday? Does Sudha learn music? Is Adil a good boy? So by using did, does and is, we have converted positive sentences into interrogative sentences. And next we have negative interrogative sentences. These sentences ask question using negative expression. For example, did you not meet Kevin yesterday? Doesn't Sudha learn music? Is Adil not a good boy? Hence, one kind of sentence can be changed into another kind of sentences by negating the idea or by using question mark. So students, this was about sentences, kinds of sentences. I hope it was helpful to you. Thank you for listening, students. Bye-bye. Take care.